I'm almost 100% sure. I just looked straight into the eyes of Heidi Klum. Well, she had sunglasses on. So we're kind of following behind her and being like, is that you? Is that you? Because she just got married here. And like her husband looks the same. I swear to God, it's him.
Flour, salt, and yeast. Put those ingredients inside a mixer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes that you're done, put it in a plastic box like this. Cover the plastic box. Wait 24 hours, then it grows. And then you can use your dough. Now, if you will look at making those ingredients as soon as all of us will need our pizza. So, in this case, we're talking about...
I've got you guys on video.
Now,
Look at how it's doing. Oh, yeah. How's it going?
Good.
Good. Hey. Wow. It is.
You need this in
Slow-mo. Very good.
Oh yeah!
Again, Italian soups.
Salud. This is 17 to 20%. Every product is going to taste good enough.